you to see cake as cake dope. So this is the full story how this cake came to being. So this guy watched my deep caramel sponge cake I posted on my TikTok. Then he sent me a message that Fawaz the cake boy, I would love to have an exceptional cake taste this weekend. Ha! As you know me now, I brought out the old brain, like the old thing in my brain that has to do with recipe. So I decided to go for this cookies and cream cake because I really love the texture. I tried it once in the past and it came out really, really nice. I tried it out when I was in Lagos. Musha Beresima combined with recipe me. I first crushed the Oreos, like that Oreos biscuit. I crushed it and turned it into just soft crunches. So then I combined my dry ingredients, flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Then I went over to my wet ingredients. I combined oil, egg, and what is this thing called? Flavor. More like Latin low vanilla flavor a lot because it really brings out more flavor and more and intensifies like the taste. So this is the mixture. Oribushi silky. Then I added in my milk. Milk here got funny flavor because this particular recipe me low, like I did not use what is it called? I did not use water. Why? Because it's cookies and cream cake recipe, and for you to have an intensifying flavor, fellow milk kongon. So I added in my dry ingredients and then I combined it together just to have this silkiness. At this point, the whole room was already filled with lots of flavoring, smell, and that vibe now. So Moshawa combined with the folding method. Me fell over mix it so that cake me on bulges at the end of the day. So yeah, you buy and Shamosha combine. Now, if I was Lomo, if I was the cake boy, you see the review the guy gave me, it was really, really spectacular. So at this point, look at how silky and lovely that cake batter is. It's really, really nice and lovely. As you know, me, I tasted it now, and it was very, very lovely. So I poured it into my 6-inch 6 baking pan and I baked on medium heat normally. And look at this gorgeous cake. Obi cake is gorgeous, like a minimum run. So if you're a student in uni learning, you are very close to learning offer and it's Axis, Malete, what have you or whatnot. I deliver the best cakes, like exceptional cake taste, as you all know. So thank you very much for watching this video to this particular end. I love you guys. Just please tap the follow button right now and subscribe to my channel. I have a YouTube channel. I have TikTok, Instagram, and all of those stuffs. And also drop your comments below what you feel. You can also DM me if you need a cake order. I love you. Mwah.